Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma. I am just giving you a quick update on my hair. I have been meaning to do hair videos. Once again, the time. I've been so busy. So while I was here, I was making some of my hair bonnets and hair socks, as you all know. Those of you who have purchased, thank you. I have some new designs here. And while I was making them, I'll insert some pictures so you can see. Here's like one of my bonnets. Let me put it on quickly. I couldn't do a video without putting on my bonnet. My satin bonnets to protect your hair. This is a pink and silver one. This is so funky, sassy, pretty, and cute. You guys will love this one. Good for your sleep. Okay, now back to the video. While I was busy taking pictures and doing stuff for my website, I'm like, okay, let me just do a hair video because this is hair that needs to be washed. I co-washed it in the middle of the week, and yeah, I need to wash it again. So I just decided to do a video. I wanted to update you all on my crown area because you all have been asking. I think I will do a separate video for those of you who want more in-depth information regarding how to restore your crown area. I have at least 5 videos on that, but some people I know are lazy. They don't want to look back or whatever. I'll try to put some links in the description, but I will show you my crown area right now so you guys can see. This is it right here. Right, and I'm gonna stretch it out for you to see, and I'll put a comparison shot from when it was all broken off. So here's my crown right here. I'll open it. You can see there. So this is my crown, guys. Okay, as you can see, it's nice and full. You don't see any broken pieces. See, that's kind of like the length. Okay, there you go. So yay, yes, you can repair your crown area, and I'll give you a couple of tips just to whet your appetite. First and foremost, I think finding out your hair's porosity is very important. I have highly porous hair, which means it sucks up water quickly, but it also lets out the water / moisture very easily. So I and my hair benefit more from me putting heavier products on my hair, and especially in this area, so that it can seal in whatever moisture level my hair is at. So as long as I put on those heavy products on my hair, like castor butter or shea butter or store-bought products that are heavy, castor oil, that works well with my hair. Some people have low porosity hair, which means their hair does not accept product or water easily. The product will sit on top. That's why you'll hear people say, oh, I don't like heavy products. I don't like to put a lot of products on my hair. That most likely is the reason. I didn't do a porosity test. I just know by the way when I do my hair, how it reacts when I put product and such and such and such. So know your hair's porosity. Another tip I would say is know the strength of your hair in terms of protein. Products that have protein in them will help to build the strength of your hair. Moisture is for the softness. Protein is for the strength. You need a balance of protein and moisture, softness and strength. You need that balance. If your hair is too soft, too mushy, too moisturized, it's gonna be weak. But if your hair is too strong, too much protein, too, strong, it's gonna be susceptible to break it. So definitely have a balance. Keep up with your deep conditionings. Every single time you wash your hair, you should be deep conditioning your hair and paying very special attention to this crown area. Also, when you part your hair, you want to make sure that you make a special section for that crown area, as opposed to just doing 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that crown area is kind of left open. Make a separate section for that crown area. You will definitely see good results from that. Also, sleep with a satin bonnet or something that will keep your hair moisturized. I sell satin bonnets on my website, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. I have so many designs and styles, whatever. You want to keep your hair protected at night. And I think that's about it. The only thing I can say is also make sure that your nutrition is good. You're getting a lot of water, you're getting a lot of rest, you're getting foods that have protein, vitamins, and minerals. A lot of people's hair suffers because you have an iron deficiency, or you don't drink enough water, you're not getting enough vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. Try to throw in some more fruits and vegetables, some more water, some more leafy greens, and I'm sure when you combine all of these tips together, you will start to see progress with your crown area. So please stay tuned. I will do another video on that, but thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my website for products that protect your hair, satin bonnets, scarves, hair socks, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.